slick and easy topper for your ceramic coated car. Introducing Gyeon Ceramic Detailer, a super efficient way to add durability to that ceramic coating while also adding hydrophobic properties and gloss while leaving behind a streak-free finish. If you're ever curious what all it can do, just have a look at the benefit icons on the label, where you can find that it also has self-cleaning and anti-static properties. Don't forget, you can also use it with a high-quality towel like a Silk Dryer Evo from Gyeon as a drying aid. Even though Ceramic Detailer was designed to be used on ceramic coated cars, this product will work great on any vehicle.